Hey everyone, and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw KO from OK KO. Let's get started in the center of our page with the eyes. So I'm going to move over to the left side and draw in a large circle. Starting from the very top, just going to work our way around to the bottom and then back up towards the top. Now I'm going to draw that same size circle on the right side. Now we're going to connect the eyes together. So let's start on the inside of the left eye and draw that same size circle. Now in the middle of each eye, we're going to draw a long oval for the pupil. So start on the left, I'm just going to pull this down and then back up. We're going to fill that in black. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Now in between the eyes, we're going to add the nose. So on the left side, we're going to draw a short angled line coming out towards the left. Go straight across the bottom. Now we're going to pull this straight up underneath the right eye. Now we're going to step down and draw in the mouth. Starting on the left side, just underneath the left eye, we go straight across towards the right. Now let's connect these 2 points with a curve coming down. Starting on the left, curve down towards the bottom of the mouth, and then back up. Now let's add the top row of teeth. Starting on the left, we curve down and just pull that up a little. We're going to repeat this curve coming down and up all the way over towards the right side. Now we're going to draw the lower edge of the headband in behind the eyes. So starting on the left, we're going to draw a short line going out. Now we're going to line this up on the right side and draw a slightly longer line going outwards. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to draw a straight line going all the way up towards the top. Then on the right side, we're going to angle this one going up and out. We're going to go a little bit higher than the line on the left. Now let's draw on the top edge of the headband. Starting on the left, we're going to curve up and then pull that back down on the right side. Let's go back to the left side and draw on the spikes of the hair. Starting here, we're going to go up in an angle. Now we're going to come straight across. I'm just going to line this up with the edge of the head. Now from here, we're going to go up a little bit higher. Now I'm going to pull this down towards the right side. Come down at an angle. We're going to stop right about there. Now I'm going to have to extend this line up a little bit higher and connect these 2 points with a straight angled line. Now we're going to move down and draw on the side of the hair. Starting in here, just on the right side of the eye, go straight down. We want to make sure this line comes down lower than the bottom edge of the mouth. Go to the corner of the head, we're going to angle this out and down. Now we're going to connect these 2 points with a zigzag. Starting from here, we're going to come up with a short line. On the outside, we'll come in. Now we're going to connect these 2 points with almost like a V shape, coming down and then up. Now let's draw on the bottom of the head. Starting on the bottom edge of the left eye, we're going to curve out the cheek, and we're going to come down underneath the mouth, go across, and we're going to tuck this in underneath the hair. Now let's draw on the left side of the hair. Starting from this bottom corner, we're going to angle down and out. We're going to pull this in with a short line. Now we're going to come straight down, and then we'll pull that up again in behind the face. Now we're going to move back over towards the right and draw on the arm. So from the point of the hair, we're going to step up, draw a straight angled line coming down towards the wrist. Now we're going to go on the other side of the hair. We're going to curve around the shoulder and then down. Now I'm going to follow that same angled line coming down towards the wrist. Let's connect these 2 points with a curve coming down and up. We're going to step up and draw that same curve to the top edge of the wristband. Now let's draw on the hand. We start from this bottom corner, come straight down. We're going to round out the thumb and come up in an angle. Now let's draw 3 fingers. From this point, we're going to angle out, round out the finger, and come back in. We're going to add the second finger, going straight out, round out the finger, and go up in an angle. And we're going to add 1 more finger, go up in an angle, round out the finger. Now we're going to come in towards the outside corner of the wrist. Let's go back over to the left side and draw on the side of the body. From the hair, we're going to step in just underneath the chin, go straight down toward the bottom of the body. We're going to round this out over towards the right, go straight across, Now as we get towards the arm, we're going to curve this up. Let's add the inside edge of the vest. So underneath the chin on the left side, we're going to start by coming straight down. Now as we come down towards the bottom, we're going to hook this over towards the right. We're going to move over towards the right, draw that same straight line. Now we're going to hook this over towards the right again. Directly below the chin, we're going to step down, draw a curve from left to right. Now let's add that seam for the chest. In here, we're going to draw a straight line coming down. From the lower part of the body, we're going to step up and just draw a straight line going across for the top edge of the pant. Now we're going to tuck the left arm in behind the hair and the body. So from the shoulder, we're going to come up in an angle. So in behind the hair, we're going to go up with a short angled line. Now we're going to draw an oval for the fist. Starting here, we're going to curve around, up towards the top, round out the hand, and then back in towards that line. Now we're going to curl around the thumb. Starting from the inside of the fist, curve up, down. Now we're going to round out the thumb and hook that up. Let's add in the lower part of the arm. So from the bottom of the fist, we draw a straight angled line coming down and then in behind the body. Let's add the inside edge of the wristband. From here, we're going to curve in and then up. Now let's move down and draw on the legs. We're going to draw these legs in an angle coming out. So from the bottom edge of the vest, we're going to angle down and out. And then from this point, we're going to angle down and out in the opposite direction. Now let's move out and draw on the outside of the leg. Just follow that same angled line, coming down. Now let's close off the bottom with a curve, just connecting those two lines. Now about halfway down the leg, we draw a curve coming down and up for the sock on both sides. Now we're going to step up and draw another curve for the bottom edge of the shorts. Now we're going to add the feet along the bottom. From the bottom corner of the leg, we're going to step up, draw a straight line going out. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now right here, we're going to round out the foot. Curl this around and then back. We're going to come straight back to right about there. Now I'm going to curl this around in behind the leg. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Curving around the foot. I'm going to come straight across. I'm going to round out the heel and come back up underneath the leg. Now the last thing we're going to do is add the toes. So on the left side, we're going to draw a hook going up and in, step over, draw that same curve. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Draw that second curve. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's KO from OKKO. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and share your art with me for a chance to be featured in our daily spotlight. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.